Hi, River. Today we're reading a Halloween story. Don't push the button. Wow, we did such a great job trick-or-treating. We have so much candy. That scary house is the only one left, but I don't want to go. I heard that monsters live in there. Ooh. Stop! What are you doing? Are you trying to get gobbled up? Please, please, please don't open the door. I'll give you all my candy if you go home right now. What do you think, River? Should he open the door? But I guess I can't stop you. Push the button and say, trick or treat. Trick or treat. I'm too scared. Peek inside. Open the door slowly. Ooh, I wonder what it's gonna be. Eek! Monsters! Shout boo to scare them away. Again, louder. Say boo. That's better. Looks like there's a note. Can you cut the string and get it down for me? The note says, clap twice to turn on the lights. Surprise! Surprise, Larry! We have an extra special treat for you trick-or-treating. Oh boy, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, push! Happy Halloween! Look at all that candy. Whoa, what a party! Bye, River.